Howdy everyone, this is Graham Finer with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Alexan at the Galleria, and I'm actually looking at their studio. This is really attractive. By the way, this is the door. I just walked in just a little bit ago, and then this is what it looks like. It's super attractive. It's super pretty, and actually it's super big. By the way, behind there is a washer dryer. So you've got a really nice stand-up washer dryer set. But then look at this studio. I can't even believe they're calling this a studio almost. I mean, it's really big. It just is fresh and bright. It feels great. That's what it looks like. I mean, super, super big area in there. Here is the bathroom. The bathroom looks really pretty. Beautiful shower area, just beautiful prep area there, and then this is the living room and the bedroom. So this would be super fun to be in. It's a really big space. It would be pretty easy to kind of have a little area there for sleeping, but then have a huge area here really for entertaining. I really love this. This feels like it's 600 and something square feet. It's just really big. It's just open. You can make it what you want to make it at a great price. So beautiful studio here. If you'd like to see this in person or actually do a virtual live tour of this, send me a text. Just use the number below. I'll get that set up for you for free.